Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, welcome back into this IDM channel. So now we're going to the next part about stub area. So stub area, it's not only one, but stub area it's have a lot. So in stub root there is a basic stub, totally stub, not so stubby, and totally not so stubby. So what is the difference? So we now only want to learn about the basic one. So yesterday last video we already learned about stub area that only block type 5 LSA, and now we're going to learn what is uh, totally stub area and what type of LSA that is blocked in that condition in totally stub. So in totally stub area or TSA is a special type of OSPF. So this is a special area, we call it the totally. No, for the stub routing, totally stub, NSSA, totally NSSA, it's called a special area, OSPF special area. And then in then is even more restricted than a regular stub area. Totally stub is more restricted than regular stub. In a normal stub area, external route like type 5 LSAs are blocked, but in internal summary routes or type 3 of LSAs from other areas is still allowed in normal stub. However, in totally stub area, both external route and inter area routes are blocked. So the only route of the router inside this area receive is a default route pointing to the area border router or ABR. This makes routing tables inside TSA very small and simple. Okay, because all unknown destination just go through that default route. And totally stub area are great for small or remote networkings or remote networks that don't need full routing information and only need to reach the rest of the network through one way out. So there is no like other way, so that's only one way with a default route or 000/0. And what is type 3 of LSA? So this will be explained like type 3 is are the summary about networks inside of that area. So this type 3 is will be put in ABR or area border router. So the router that in the end of the area. So like it's have two routing protocol in that router. Two sorry two different area in that router. Okay, now will be do the configuration for the routing protocol. Okay, now we can open here. So we will use a previous the previous configuration. So now we will conti and then router OSPF 1. So we can do a show run first to see this is real. previous the previous, what is that, the previous, yeah, the previous configuration. So as we can see here, yes, and this here. Okay, now we will do a configuration, and we need to remove the before configuration. So now you can just type no area for start. Okay, now its agency it will be done because the rules it's has been removed. So the router it will be like thinking, if they are human, like thinking, who are you, and you are not blocking for ls type 5 of LSA, so they are rejected here. Okay, the router OSPF 1, then type no area for stop. Okay, now the agency it will be built again here, as you can see. Now we need to do, okay, and grouping again. Yep, it's cannot. And you can go through the, what is that, the router. This is in this. Okay, now the loading are done, and do ping again. Now it's 100%. So before is the loading, it's still making the agency. Now we can type again area for stub and type no summary. It's simple for the configuration like this, and you can type also in here area for stub no summary. Okay, now we're done. And this is already full loading again, this one also, and you can try to do ping. Yes, it's done. So for putting the configuration about blocking the LSI type 3 for the summary of that area, so it will be not given into the other area or not receiving into that area. So you can just type no summary in the back of area 4 stub. So that's how to configure that thing for the totally stop. Okay, I think that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake or wrong words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.